Hi everyone, in this video I'll give you a brief introduction to Taiga. I'll mainly talk about what is Taiga, why Taiga, and how to get started. So what is Taiga? Taiga is a project management platform for startups and agile developers and designers who want a simple, beautiful tool that makes work truly enjoyable. Taiga is free, open source, and powerful. As we can see, Taiga is a new agile tool. It's still in beta, as we can see here. And Taiga is open source, as I said. You can take the code from GitHub. If you are interested in, you can download the source code. So since we have so many agile tools, why we need to use Taiga? Firstly, Taiga can handle both simple and complex projects. We believe work can be made more enjoyable if the management tool can get out of the way and allow people to focus on the job at hand. Having to deal with a complex, unintuitive tool just adds more hassle and complication. Taiga was built in a simple, intuitive, and easy way. It is a tool that anyone can learn to use without the need for instruction or training. Taiga was built in an open source philosophy. It can empower a global community of developers, designers, product managers, and companies that thrive on sharing their creativity and their work product. And Taiga is an alternative for users who are unhappy with their project management tools, or for the students and others who are adopting a tool for the first time. Now let's get started with Taiga. First, let's log in with Taiga. Okay. Now I will create a new project. I'll choose Kanban as my template. Kanban is a method for managing knowledge work with an emphasis on just-in-time delivery while not overloading the team members. In this approach, the process from definition of a task to its delivery to the customer is displayed for participants to see, and team members pull work from a queue. So let's choose Kanban. Let's name the project. I call it pattern search system. Okay, let's create. Now we can see the Kanban here. Suppose we have 3 team members in our team. Now I'll add 2 new team members into our team. Here let's click add a new member and tap the email of the team member. And here we can assign the role for the team member. Okay, it's success. Let's add one more member. Let's assign the role for the team member. Okay, we can see the operation is very simple. If you want to remove a team member, you can just click the delete button. Look at here, we can see the third parties. Here is teach us how to use it to configure Taiga and GitHub. And in the role and the permission function, we can set the permissions for each role. And give their authority to add sprint, modify sprint. You can see every time you do the change, they will show this message for you. And in the customize attributes, you can almost customize everything here. For example, if you don't want see the new column here, you can click delete, accept. Now you can see the new column. Now I'll add some new user stories for here. Firstly, you use keyword search. And for here, you can assign the points for each new user story. I'll allocate 10 points here. And this is a descriptive test. And you can choose what kind of requirement it is. It's a team requirement. So it's okay. Let's add some more new user story. So we'll assign 10 points here. So let's add another user story. Document, indexing, and storage. You allocate 20 points. For here, you can also fold the column like this. Okay, I add 4 user story here. So here you can drag every task to any column like this. So we can see clearly each progress and what we are doing in each progress. So this is Kanban. Then I'll talk about another template called Scrum. I have already created a project in Scrum. It's movie ticket booking management. We can see the difference interface from Kanban. It has backlog and sprints. I already add one new user story. Let's add more. You can see the operation is very similar to Kanban. Here we can add new sprints. You can just need a funnel. So actually, I think they are very similar, and it's also very easy to use. And this has some difference. It has issues here. If your team member you have some issue, you can write here. Let's see this issue. If some team member know how to solve this issue, you can write the comments here. Okay, if you have another function, you can search your question and whatever you want looking for. Let's search movie. Yeah, you can see the user story is here. So that's the tutorial for Taiga. So for me, I prefer Kanban. In Kanban, we can clearly see what we are doing and what the task we have, and we can arrange the process in sequence, and I like it very much. Okay, thank you very much.